Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an amazing product to share with you, the Japanese floor chair folding adjustable lazy sofa chair floor gaming sofa chair padded lounger soft recliner with back support. This incredible piece of furniture is designed with special furniture tube that makes it more durable, along with high-density super elastic sponge that always rebounds in a cushion filled with three-dimensional PP cotton bags so it never collapses. The best part is, you can adjust the angle according to your preferences, and it also uses breathable mesh for added comfort. The floor gaming sofa is made of high-quality PP cotton and stainless steel, making it durable and long-lasting. It comes in a convenient folding design and is available in 2 sizes to suit your needs. The maximum weight capacity is about 150 kilograms, and it weighs around 2500 g, making it easy to move around and store. Imagine having a comfortable and versatile chair that you can use for gaming, reading, or simply relaxing. Whether you are a gamer, a student, or someone who just loves to kick back and relax, this floor chair is a must-have for your home. So why wait? Click on the link in the description to get your own Japanese floor chair folding adjustable lazy sofa chair floor gaming sofa chair padded lounger soft recliner with back support today. Don't miss out on this amazing piece of furniture that will bring comfort and relaxation to your life. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing products and reviews. Thank you for watching.